Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we got my pet parrot Kiwi. As you can see, I've been doing a lot of work with him. He's now not afraid to be on my shoulder. Oops. I'm horrible at this. Yeah, where am I going to set this tripod? Apparently on the ground. Because the whole tripod just fell apart. Well, the tripod didn't fall apart. The clamp around the foam just detached itself from my actual tripod. Oh my gosh! That's annoying. Yeah? Kiwi, you're not annoying? Okay. I'm gonna go get Kiwi back. Oh. Whenever he lands into the closet, I'm gonna get him. Yeah, I know where you're at. Yeah, you're in the closet, aren't you? Here. Up on my finger? Here, I'll put you on my shoulder. Yeah, there you go. See, this is Kiwi. Oh, Kiwi's gonna get on my back now. How am I gonna show them? How am I gonna show you them if you're on my back? Now he's on my lower back. This is strange. I'm gonna have trouble getting him off my back now. No, I actually won't. He's just gonna climb up or he's gonna fly away. Yeah, he flew. Yeah, go to the closet. Go to the closet. No, go to the closet. You don't want to go up. You want to go down. Yeah, there we go. Got him. Alright. Kiwi, you're going to do my intro for me. Alright? This is going to be the awesomest intro of all intros. Kiwi. What are you doing? Here, hop on, Kiwi. Hop on. Hop on, Kiwi. Here, hop on. You're going to get on my shoulder, okay, Kiwi? I love you, Kiwi. Yeah, there you go, Kiwi. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe and do what? Turn on post notifications. You heard him. Turn on post notifications. Yeah? Yeah, he's telling you to turn on post notifications. Yeah? Yep. This is not loud at all. Kiwi, can you stop chirping in my ear? Like he literally, a minute ago, he was literally sticking his mouth up to my ear and chirping as loud as he could. I mean, I'm not even sure if it was as loud as he could. Kiwi, yeah, you're going to climb back up my shirt. My neck doesn't hurt because of his talons. Kiwi? Yep. Yeah, my hair is a mess. This tripod doesn't want to work. So yeah, actually a lot of things are going wrong. I'll either stabilize it straight, try to do it like in between straight and all the way back as far as it can go. And it just, like, this is how I want it, right? It just does that. I want it to where you can see me and Kiwi. That means I'm glad to back up, doesn't it? Alright, that's better. Yeah, but be sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Eventually, Kiwi will kiss me. But just not today. Isn't that right, Kiwi? You're not kissing me today? Oh yeah, I've been listening to the new XXX, to his new XXX Tentacion's new song, Bad. It's like a really good song. You guys should go listen to it. Yeah. Ah, fudge. It tilted. And there goes Kiwi. Yeah, you can You should probably land in the closet. Let's just get into this multiple day vlog. I'm gonna be recording on this video tomorrow too. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I'm looking at myself. Trying to decide which one I want to look at. Myself. This is me looking at myself. Or you guys. This is me looking at you guys. And I look at myself. You guys, myself. And I can't even tell what I look like whenever I'm looking at you guys. Because whenever I'm looking at myself, like this, my head is pointed sideways. And I'm looking different ways from the camera. And Kiwi's over there in the closet right now, like, why are you not coming and getting me? So I gotta do that. Lucky for me, he hasn't pooped everywhere. Oh my gosh, there's a dead ladybug. Oh, that's sad. But yeah, just be sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on post. I'm gonna teach him how to tell people. I'm going to teach him how to say turn on post notifications. I'm going to teach him how to say subscribe because that's more important. No, it's more important that people just watch my videos. And I have fun. No, just kidding. Yeah, it's more important that I have fun. Even though I fudge. Dorks is like that. All you viewers are dorks. I said it so Dustin wouldn't have to tell you guys I said it. I'm putting it in, yeah. I'm keeping it in.
Why?
Because I want to.
I thought I was water. Oh no.
What did you say?
A view. I saw Bradley. I was like, oh no.
Dustin, hold my phone.
Oh, don't worry. I'll film it. I'll get it on tape.
You gotta get it in the back.
Wait. Oh, wait. How do you switch it? How do you switch the camera?
I will break that.
How do you switch the camera?
You end of it.
There you go.
It's mine now.
Finger.
Try.
You're like, okay.
Alex is being bullied.
That one's
Oh, shoot. We're on bed. Okay. Alex, have your phone back. Alex, have your phone. Take the phone. Take it. Ah. I actually think I'm dying now. Just so you know. Oh, it zoomed in. Hey. It was like super zoomed in on your face.
This would be so horrible. But yeah, I was watching these stream channels and they started streaming and Google likes and Google Assistant. His Google Help said, okay Google, call LA FBI. It said call Los Angeles FBI. Alright.
Please, man.
There's no church bus tonight, by the way.
Oh, there's no church bus tonight?
No.
Oh, that's sad.
Oh.
Oh.
Go back home.
My grandma.
Okay. Did your grandma say she would?
Kenneth, this is on video?
Let me see it.
It's Alex's
You're not
vlog?
even vlogging right. What are you talking about? You're
This-
holding it up.
Why are you holding it like that?
Because I can, mate.
Fine, I'm a vlog then.
I'm used to having the camera stick. I used to. I forgot because the camera stick thing.
She's
I
like,
used to
"Ta-da."
just have to hold
He's
back.
like, ta-da, and I'm like, oh yeah.
Alex, you're still on video. All of that is in your video, mate. Are you gonna delete the thing where you were fighting Bradley?
No.
I was over like the edge area just filming. And then
gonna keep all the
she
footage.
noticed me over
It's
there
raw
filming.
footage, guys.
Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry.
the screen went completely black because it went on your shirt. They could see it was the back of your shirt.
And then nibble it. My grandma.
This is
My grandma's last name is Niblet.
Niblet.
Who used to make fun of my grandpa because his mailbox said Niblet
Bye.
on it. Bye. What?
Adios, person.
I thought, where are you going? With your grandma? Well, then. Bye. Hey, Granny. Can my friend come over? Record Dodger like.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll record this wall. This is a very nice wall, isn't it? You see? Very nice wall. And up there, hi.
Jace, come on, get your jacket.
Cut off the camera.
Oh.
Hey guys, I just decided I'd do my outro. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I know this is a short one. Sorry.